Have you ever pondered about the unsolved mysteries that history has left us with? From the enigmatic Stonehenge to the Bermuda Triangle's inexplicable disappearances, our past is riddled with conundrums that defy explanation. These mysteries, shrouded in time, stir our curiosity, fueling our fascination and intrigue. They make us question, they lead us on a quest, pushing the boundaries of what we know and understand. So, ready for a journey into the unknown? Join us as we delve into the top 10 historical mysteries that continue to baffle us. Starting our countdown, at number 10, we have the enigmatic Bermuda Triangle. Encapsulating a vast area between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this sea region has been the stage for numerous inexplicable disappearances of ships and aircraft. Various theories, as diverse as magnetic anomalies to extraterrestrial involvement, have been proposed to account for these perplexing vanishings. Yet no definitive explanation has ever been agreed upon. Despite numerous investigations, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of history's most chilling mysteries. At number 9, we find ourselves amidst the ancient stones of Stonehenge. Situated in England, these prehistoric stones, erected around 3,000 years before Christ, baffle us with their purpose and construction. Was it a celestial calendar, a place of healing, or a sacred burial ground? And how were these massive stones, some weighing upwards of 25 tons, transported and erected? With theories ranging from human ingenuity to extraterrestrial intervention, the answers remain elusive. Stonehenge, a prehistoric mystery that continues to perplex us. Our number 8 takes us on a quest for the legendary lost city of Atlantis. First mentioned by the ancient philosopher Plato, Atlantis was said to be an advanced civilization located beyond the Pillars of Hercules. Theories about its existence and disappearance are as numerous as the stars, ranging from natural disasters to alien intervention. Was it a real place or simply a myth? We may never know. Atlantis, a city lost in the depths of history and the sea, remains a captivating mystery. At number 7, we unravel the pages of the Thevoyich Manuscript. This perplexing piece of history was discovered in the early 20th century, filled with bizarre illustrations and an indecipherable language. Scholars and cryptographers have spent decades trying to crack its code, but to no avail. It's a tantalizing tease, a book that invites us into its mystery yet holds its secrets tightly. The Thevoyich Manuscript, an enigma written in an unknown language, continues to baffle linguists and historians alike. Our number 6 takes us to the deserts of Peru, home to the mysterious Nazar Lines. These ancient, colossal geoglyphs, believed to have been etched into the ground over 2,000 years ago, continue to puzzle historians and archaeologists. Stretching over miles, they form intricate designs of animals, plants, and geometric shapes visible only from the sky. Theories about their purpose range from astronomical calendars to landing strips for extraterrestrial visitors. The Nazar Lines, a masterpiece etched in the desert, remains one of history's most intriguing enigmas. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, we stand in awe of the Great Pyramids of Giza. These colossal structures are a marvel of ancient engineering, their construction and purpose steeped in mystery. Theories range from simple manual labor to otherworldly intervention. But the truth remains elusive. Were they tombs for pharaohs? Or perhaps something more? The Great Pyramids of Giza, a testament to human ingenuity, continue to captivate us with their unresolved mysteries. At number 4, we delve into the religious mystery of the Shroud of Turin. This peculiar linen cloth bears the faint image of a man, believed by many to be the imprint of Jesus Christ. It first surfaced in 14th century France and has sparked debate ever since. Some see it as a divine relic, others argue it's a medieval forgery. Despite numerous scientific investigations, its authenticity remains unresolved. The Shroud of Turin, a cloth shrouded in faith and controversy, remains a profound historical mystery. Our number 3 takes us to the lost colony of Roanoke. Established in the late 16th century, Roanoke was England's first foothold in the New World, yet, within a few years, it vanished without a trace. The only clue left behind was the cryptic word Croatoan carved on a post. Theories abound, from mass migration to assimilation with local tribes, yet nothing concrete has been proven. The lost colony of Roanoke, a chilling tale of disappearance, continues to mystify us. At number 2, we embark on the ghost ship Mary Celeste. Discovered adrift in the Atlantic Ocean in December 1872, the ship was in perfect condition, but eerily the crew was nowhere to be found. The ship's logbook, last updated 10 days prior, gave no indication of trouble. Theories abound, from mutiny to sea monsters, yet none provide a satisfactory explanation. The crew's fate remains a haunting enigma. The Mary Celeste, a ship sailing into the unknown, remains an unsolved maritime mystery. And finally, at number 1, we plunge into the dark alleys of Victorian London in search of Jack the Ripper. A string of gruesome murders in the late 19th century, unsolved to this day, has left an indelible mark on criminal history. Despite numerous suspects and theories, the true identity of the notorious Jack the Ripper remains shrouded in mystery. Was he a doctor, a royal, or a common man? The identity of Jack the Ripper, one of the most infamous mysteries in criminal history, continues to evade us. And there you have it, our top 10 historical mysteries. From the eerie Bermuda Triangle to the enigmatic identity of Jack the Ripper, these tales have intrigued us for generations. Each mystery, whether it's the inexplicable Stonehenge or the lost city of Atlantis, leaves us with more questions than answers. And isn't that the beauty of history, the constant quest for knowledge? Until history reveals its secrets, these mysteries remain unsolved. What other historical mysteries captivate you? Share your thoughts, and remember, sometimes the journey to the answer is as fascinating as the answer itself.